Have you ever lost a point for your team because you did something without thinking? Did you ever feel like your hand was going to pop right off because you wanted to answer a question so badly, but the teacher didn't call on you? Maybe you missed out on getting a special reward, and it made your tummy feel all twisty and upset. It can feel really yucky when these things happen. Sometimes it feels like your body or your words just do things all by themselves, without even asking you first. It's almost like a little monster takes over for a second. Well, what if I told you that you have a secret superpower that can help you with all of those things? It's true! This superpower is called self-control. It's not like flying or having super strength, but it's just as amazing. Self-control is the power to be the boss of yourself. It helps you stop and think before you act. It helps you manage your big feelings so they don't take over and get you into trouble. It's like having a superhero captain living inside your brain, helping you make good choices even when it's really, really hard. Think about it like this. Your body is like a super fast race car. It has a powerful engine that wants to go, go, go. Self-control is like having a really good driver in the driver's seat. That driver knows when to press the gas, when to slow down, and when to put on the brakes. Without a driver, the car might zoom all over the place and crash. But with a good driver, with your self-control superpower, you can steer your race car body exactly where you want it to go, safely and smoothly, so you can win the race every single day. Every single person has this superpower inside them, waiting to be discovered and used. It might feel a little wobbly at first, like when you first learn to ride a bike. You might fall down or make a mistake, and that is perfectly okay. The more you practice using your self-control, the stronger it gets. Soon, you will be able to handle those tricky situations without feeling like you're going to explode. You will be able to stay calm and make choices that make you feel proud of yourself. You are the hero of your own story. Your amazing self-control superpower has 4 different parts that you get to be in charge of. It's like having a control panel with 4 big, important buttons. The first button is for your body. This means you control what your hands and feet do. You can choose to keep your hands to yourself instead of poking your friend. You can choose to walk in the hallway instead of running. You decide if your body is going to be still and calm or wiggly and wild. Being in control of your body is a huge part of being a self-control superhero. The second button on your control panel is for your words. Your mouth can sometimes feel like a volcano, ready to erupt with words. Self-control helps you decide when it's a good time for those words to come out and when it's better to keep them inside for a little while longer. It helps you use kind words instead of hurty words when you feel angry or frustrated. Thinking before you speak is a very powerful skill. You get to choose if your words will build people up or knock them down. What a big responsibility. The third button is for your thoughts. Did you know you can be the boss of your own thoughts? Sometimes, grumpy or worried thoughts can pop into our heads, like little rain clouds on a sunny day. A thought might say, "This is too hard, I can't do it." But you can use your self-control to change that thought. You can tell yourself, "This is tricky, but I am going to try my best." You can choose to think positive, strong thoughts that help you instead of thoughts that make you want to give up. Your brain is your command center. The last and maybe the trickiest button is for your feelings or your emotions. We all have big feelings like anger, sadness, excitement, and frustration. These feelings are all okay to have, but you are in charge of what you do with them. Self-control doesn't mean you don't feel angry. It means you choose not to yell or throw something when you are angry. It means you can feel sad without ruining everyone else's fun. You get to feel all your feelings, but you also get to decide how you will act because of them. One of the most important things to remember about your self-control superpower is that it only works on one person: you. You are the boss of you. You can control your own body, your own words, your own thoughts, and your own feelings. But you cannot control anyone else. You can't make your friend share the red crayon. You can't make your brother stop making that annoying noise. You can't make your teacher call on you, even if you know the answer better than anyone else in the whole wide world. Sometimes this can feel really frustrating. You might see other kids breaking the rules. Maybe someone is talking when the teacher is talking, or someone cuts in front of you in the lunch line. It might make you feel angry or like it's not fair. You might think, if they can do it, why can't I? This is when your self-control superpower needs to be extra strong. You have to remember that you can only control yourself. Their choices are their choices, and your choices are your choices. Let's say you're playing a game and another player cheats to win. It might make you want to shout, "Cheater!" and quit the game. But what happens then? You might get in trouble and you won't get to play anymore. Instead, you can use your superpower. You can control your body by not stomping your feet. You can control your words by not yelling. You can choose to say, "I don't like it when the rules aren't followed," and then decide if you want to keep playing or calmly find a new game. Now, this doesn't mean you should ignore everything. If you see something that is unsafe, like someone about to get hurt or if someone is being a bully, that is different. Telling a grown-up about something unsafe or hurtful is not tattling. It's being a good friend and a responsible person. It's being helpful and brave. But for all those little annoying things other people do, you have to remember your main job. Just be the boss of you. Let the grown-ups worry about being the boss of everyone else. Let's play a game. Let's pretend you are at school and think about which part of your self-control superpower you would need to use. Imagine your teacher is explaining a fun art project. Your brain is so excited, and a great idea just pops into your head. You want to shout it out right away. Which part of your superpower do you need? You need to control your words. You can put a little bubble in your mouth and save that awesome idea until it's your turn to talk, so everyone can hear it clearly. Here's another one. The teacher asks a question, and you know the answer. You really want to be called on. Your arm shoots up into the air and you start bouncing in your seat. You might even make a little noise like, "Ooh, ooh, me!" But the teacher calls on someone else. You feel disappointed. Which superpowers do you need now? You need to control your body by lowering your hand calmly and sitting still. And you need to control your emotions by telling yourself it's okay and you'll have another chance. Okay, last one. Imagine everyone who finished their work on time gets a cool sticker, but you didn't finish. You see all your friends getting shiny dinosaur stickers and you get nothing. A grumpy thought pops into your head. This isn't fair. My work was harder. You feel sad and a little bit angry. Which parts of your superpower will help you? You need to control your thoughts by changing that grumpy thought to, "I will try to finish on time tomorrow so I can earn a sticker then." And you need to control your words by saying, "Good job," to your friends instead of grumbling. In all of these situations, you can also use a secret weapon. Stop and think. Before you do or say anything, just stop for 1 second. Take a deep breath. Then think about what you are about to do. Ask your brain, is this helpful? Is this kind? Is this the best choice right now? This quick pause gives your self-control superpower a chance to turn on and help you make a choice you will be proud of later. It's like a superhero's secret move that saves the day from a tricky situation. So, How do you get really, really good at using this superpower? You practice! You have to practice every single day in all kinds of situations. Just like a basketball player practices shooting baskets to get better at a game, you have to practice self-control to become a champion at it. Every time you choose to wait your turn, every time you take a deep breath when you're mad, and every time you think before you speak, you are making your superpower stronger and stronger. You are training to be a self-control hero. One of the best ways to practice is by using calm-down strategies. When you feel a big emotion bubbling up inside you, like a soda bottle that's been shaken, you can try taking deep breaths. Breathe in slowly through your nose, like you are smelling a flower, and then breathe out slowly through your mouth, like you are blowing out birthday candles. Do this 3 times. This sends a message to your brain and body that everything is okay and that you are in control. It gives you a moment to think. Sometimes you might need help, and that is a very strong and brave thing to do. If you're having a hard time controlling your body or your feelings, it is always okay to ask a grown-up for help. You can calmly walk up to a teacher or a parent and say, "I'm feeling really frustrated right now, and I need some help." This shows amazing self-control. Instead of losing control and getting into trouble, you are using your words to solve the problem. That is what a true self-control champion does. Remember, you are in charge. No one else can make you say things or do things. You get to choose. So, the next time you feel like you might erupt like a volcano, I challenge you to try using your superpower. Take a breath. Think about your choice, and say this powerful mantra to yourself, either out loud or in your head. I control me. Believe in yourself, practice every day, and you will become a self-control champion who can handle anything that comes your way. You've got this.